Now next question is, it is given f is equal to set of all order pairs 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1. They ask to find 2 plus f, root f, 2f and f square. Important model. Now the first one is, first let us consider f is equal to set of all 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1. Now 2 plus f of x is defined as 2 plus f of x, or k plus f of x is defined as k plus f of x. That is the definition for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to that domain. Now 2 plus f of x is equal to set of R 1 comma 2 plus f of 1. You have to write like this: 2 plus f of 1, the image, and 2 comma 2 plus f of 2, 2 comma 2 plus f of 2, and 3 comma 2 plus f of 3. This is how you have to find. Now that will be 1 comma 2 plus, what is f of 1 here? 2. f of 1 is 2. 2 plus 2. 2 comma 2 minus 3. f of 2 is minus 3. And 3 comma 2 plus f of 3 is minus 1. So the set is going to be 1 comma 4, 2 comma minus 1, 3 comma. You can directly write this also. Now this is 2 plus f of x, first one. And second one is square root f. Square root f of x is defined as square root of f of x. But here you have to remember that f of x is always greater than or equal to 0. You cannot take those f of x which are less than 0. Now, square root f is defined as set of R 1 comma root f of 1, root f of x. These are the elements in the domain. 1, 2, 3 are the elements in the domain. And 2 comma square root of f of 2, 3 comma square root of f of 3. Now there is a chance of getting wrong answer also here, because you need to understand that this is defined only for those which are f of x greater than or equal to 0. Now if you observe f of 3, here it is minus 1. You should not write that. Remember, very important point. So that will be 1 comma root f of 1 is 2. You can write it, no problem, because it is positive. And here also f of 2 is minus 3. F of 2 is minus 3. So you cannot write this also. So it is complicated. F of 3 also minus 1. You cannot take that. You have to write only those which are greater than or equal to 0. Now the third one, or first question is 10th one. 2f of x is defined as 2 into f of x. 2 into f of x. So 2f is equal to set of R for all elements in the domain. What are the elements in the domain? 1, 2, 3. These are the elements in the domain. So 2f 1 comma 2 into f of 1, 2 comma 2 into f of 2, and 3 comma 2 into f of 3. So that is equal to 1 comma. What is f of 1 here? 2. F of 1 is 2. So 2 into 2. 2 comma 2 into, what is f of 2 here? Minus 3. 3 comma 2 into f of 3 is minus 1. So that is equal to 1 comma 4, 2 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 2. This is 2 into f of x. And the fourth one, it is f square. F square of x is defined as f of x whole square. Okay, so f square is equal to set of all 1 comma f of 1 whole square. F of 1 whole square. Next, 2 comma f of 2 whole square. 3 comma f of 3 whole square. So it will be 1 comma f of 1 is 2. So 2 square, it will be 4. F of 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square, you will get 9. 3 comma f of 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, it will be 1.